Hi, it's Cindy and Jane on the back roads. It was just me on this trip, and I was at Revive in Sidney, Ohio. Revive Home Decor More. This shop is filled with unique items. A lot of them are made by local craftsmen, which allow the shoppers to get unique pieces for their home and support the local talent. This is a shop that you need to come to often because their merchandise changes rapidly. Many times when I'm there, consignment people are bringing items in, and the store is constantly being refreshed. They are known for their many great pieces of furniture, and a lot of their furniture is hand-painted. A lot of it's made by local craftsmen, and it's very unique, so it's got a story to tell on its own. As you can tell, there's a lot to look at in this shop. They employ a full-time floral designer, so in addition to buying a ready-made floral design, a wreath, you can buy the stems and the items that she uses in a lot of her arrangements located in the back of the store. She does a beautiful job, and we like the products that she sells, so you can individually pick your own items to make your own arrangements. As you can tell, this is a fun store to shop in. I encourage you to grab a friend and make a trip to Sidney, Ohio, and have lunch while you're there. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We also have a Facebook page where you can follow us there, where we share a lot more information. If you know someplace great that we should check out, please let us know. Cindy and I are always up for a trip on the back roads, and we hope to see you there. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.